Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video I'm going to create the following chart, which is called waterfall chart in Excel. So basically a waterfall chart is a type of visualization that helps you understand how a starting value is affected by a series of positive and negative changes leading to a final result. Basically it's called waterfall because the columns seem to follow, as you can see here, flow down or up, so like steps in a waterfall as you move from start to finish. So here we have a table which contains 6 different categories. So we have starting balance, which is a positive amount. We have the sales, positive amount. The expenses, negative amount, so it's a cost. Then we have a profit, the taxes as a cost, and we have the ending balance. So I'm going to go step by step on how to create this chart. So basically we select all the table, insert, recommend the charts, and here we have our chart. Okay, first thing that we do is that we convert the starting balance and the ending balance into total. So right click, set as total, same thing for the ending balance. Okay, now I'm going to format our chart, right? So basically we start by removing the grid lines, we remove the y-axis, we change the colors. So for the total, so we put it in gray, for example, right? The increase, we put it in green, and the decrease, we put it as red. Okay, now we can remove the legend, can remove the title. Okay, for the x-axis we put the text as black bold, same thing for the labels. Alright, and also for the axis we remove the line, so fill, for the line put no line. Okay, so here we have our chart. As you can see, we start with the balance of 100k, then we have the sales 50k, so it's positive, we have a total of 150. Then we have expenses minus 30,000. Then we get also a positive profit, which is 20k from investments. Then we have a cost of taxes, we have minus 15k, and we end up with 125k as the ending balance. So this is how we create a waterfall chart in Excel. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.